Welcome to GPI Cars and a walk around video of our 2013 Ford Fiesta Zetec. This car comes with the 1.25 petrol engine and the manual gearbox, which is Ulez compliant, returning up to 54 miles to the gallon. An insurance group of 7 and road tax is just £35 a year, so really low running costs. And the mileage is just over 62,000 miles, and the car comes with good service history. This particular colour is called the Panther Black, and as you can see, it's in a really good glossy condition for the age and mileage. As we look inside, you've got the nice clean interior, the really supportive seats there. Onto the dashboard, you've got your FM radio and CD player there in the centre, and also has Bluetooth for your phone. And this car also has air conditioning, the Ford Quick Clear windscreen, so ideal for the frosty mornings. And then on the driver's door card, you've got electric mirror and front window controls. Being the 5-door version, nice and practical, easy access there into the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and I see there's a cup holder in the centre for rear passengers as well. And opening the tailgate on the Fiesta, you've got the nice deep boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. And then underneath the boot floor, you have your tyre inflator and a bit of extra storage there for you as well. Externally, the car comes with daytime running lights and also the 15-inch alloy wheels. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and with a finance from just 10.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.